Hi guys, welcome to your respiratory system lesson. The respiratory system is connected to all the other systems as part of the functions of homeostasis. The respiratory system gets oxygen from the surrounding environment. So wherever you are breathing. And you breathe in oxygen and you breathe out carbon dioxide and other waste from your body. Moving and using oxygen involves mechanical movements, so different functions within your lungs that trap air, as well as chemical reactions, which release energy for our cells. Oxygen enters our body when we inhale, and it's spread throughout our body with our red blood cells. So when you breathe in, oxygen comes in through your mouth, it goes down through your throat into your lungs, and then it's spread to the rest of the parts of our body with our red blood cells. Our cells and tissues need a perfect balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in order for our bodies to maintain homeostasis. And remember, homeostasis means balance. So all the systems have to work together to maintain a balance in our body with different chemicals, with different gases, with levels of water and blood. Cellular respiration is basically the opposite of photosynthesis, and cellular respiration takes place in our cells and gives our cells energy by using oxygen that is in chemical reactions. The respiratory systems work with the digestive and circulatory system to make cellular respiration possible. And again, cellular respiration is synthesis. So photosynthesis, just as a reminder, you all had this in 5th grade. 8th graders, you had this last year. It's when you have carbon dioxide that mixes with water and sunlight, which makes sugar and oxygen. And that is the food for plants. Now, the opposite of that is when you start with sugar and oxygen, and it turns into carbon dioxide, water, and energy. And our cells take the glucose and the oxygen and give off the carbon dioxide, water, and energy. So we breathe out, part of that we breathe out is the carbon dioxide. We use the energy part and we use the water part. Some connection to other activities that the respiratory system is involved with are sound. So when we breathe in, air moves through our vocal cords, which makes sound. And that's why when you talk or when you sing, you have to keep breathing in air, that the vibrations of the air moving through your throat and your vocal cords is what creates the different sounds. Coughing, sneezing, yawning, laughing, crying, all of those things involve the respiratory system too. So brainstorm for a minute about how you think those things produce sounds. If you stop and think about a yawn, or you stop and think about crying, how are those things related to the respiratory system?